So we are now at Museum of Ice Cream. It's Christmas coming soon, so we're going to check out what is different. My ice cream name is... What will your ice cream name be? Will it be your name? Or something interesting? Now we are in. So as usual, this is the area where you can spend quite a bit of time playing the puzzles. Okay, like you need to clear them before moving on to the next step. Okay, quite challenging. Takes a bit of brain power, to get through all this. But yeah, you can play this before you head on to the next station. But since I already played before, I won't be playing it anymore. Let's go check out the next station. So what we have here, beam connections. Anyway, time for ice cream. Let's see what we really got. What are you doing?
Then the pink on this, the green. That is okay. And then the pink on this one.
Making customizations to ice cream?
Okay, thank you. I go see.
Anything for you, sir?
It's okay.
You cannot eat it. Eat some more.
So this is what goes on behind the scenes. Really kneeling down to the ice cream. Proposing you ice cream? Which one you love more?
I like chocolate.
You like chocolate.
The boss asked me to come and work. What can I do? Must show.
Yeah.
I don't get to pick my work, my job.
So yeah, this is the section where you can get the first taste of ice cream at Museum of Ice Cream. Okay, so today they have what? Chocolate flavor and strawberry flavor. And of course, as usual, lots of Instagrammable spots. This time around, there's a lot of pink Christmas trees. And right here, it smells very sweet, candy-ish. Where are you from? Of course, we are from Little Big Red Dot. So finding the alphabets to stack everything together. And then we have other questions too. What are you grateful for? What is your dream? And what are you celebrating? So somebody put happy 4 months. We should make it even more complete. Guess what I'm looking for? Ding ding.
要一起啊？不要 underscore 吗？
No need.
啊 ？underscore 有啊？
Destroy. This is called advertising, marketing. Oh, another ice cream. Hi, what is this ice cream again?
We have mango sorbet, raspberry, and mix.
Mix.
Yeah. Which one do you want? I mix also. No egg.
All no egg.
Yes. There you go.
Wow, thank you.
Welcome.
This is a place where you can be like a children. Somebody's enjoying himself. Wow, lots of Christmas trees here. Hello. Hi. Ice cream again.
Yeah, before the ice cream, okay, so we have a very small activity.
Uh-huh.
So I think around like your surroundings, you see a lot of Christmas tree, right?
Yeah.
So all you can do is just take any cards, okay? Just write your wish and where are you from. So example, if you are Singapore, you can just put Singapore. If you are
Okay.
Yep. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
No worries. Oh, by the way, my name is Melvin. What about yourself?
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Wilbur.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, right.
Yeah.
Which one? What?
Can write.
Up to you.
Yeah, up to you.
Your wish.
Yeah. Like, I wish that my children.
Wish for $1 million.
Billion better. Billion. Okay. So we're going to hang now. Good choice, pink tree.
Hey, my two brothers, do you like ice cream?
Yes. Want to eat banana?
Very full.
There's so many banana here.
Just one.
Oh, one.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, open your bag and mix everything together. Mix the bag? Yeah. Just pour inside. Yeah. And I need you guys to choose one flavor for your ice cream.
Come on.